Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Express on desktop. Let's begin. Using Adobe Express on a desktop is a straightforward process and offers powerful design tools in a browser-based platform, or you can simply download that on the Microsoft Store directly. All right. Now again, open your preferred browser and go to the Adobe Express, and that's one way. All right. Alternatively, you can download the Adobe Express desktop app from the Adobe website, just like this one, if you prefer an installed version. Now I want you to click on the download button right here. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section, wherein all you're gonna do is click the Adobe Express installer, click on save, and of course open that for you to be able to install it and use it. Now, as you can see, my app has already been installed right now. You see it on the desktop. All right, that's one version. Another version, if you don't want to install it, or for example, if you're using a computer or a PC that is limited in installing the applications, for example, you're working within a company or a remote PC that you're not going to be able to install the desktop application, you don't have to worry, because you just have to go to the Adobe Express website, which is going to be this one. All right. As you can see, they are totally different. One is the web-based. The other, right here beside the Google Chrome, is the application itself. Now, from here, once we have installed and downloaded it, we can now use the platform to create anything here from scratch. All right, if you want to upload your own content right here and edit that later, you're welcome to do that. But if you want to browse amazing templates section, you can get inspired from these amazing templates to begin your work. You might want to click on that. Right. In my case, I'm going to start with my own stuff. If you have already working with previous projects, you might want to click that, and this is going to be my topic. I'm going to click on it so I can edit that. Now, this is my file that I have been working. So we have a lot of videos for you to be able to check in our YouTube channel, where we cover a lot of topics regarding about Adobe Express. Because once you are inside the canvas, you might want to explore and utilize all of the media section here, wherein you can add photos, videos, or music. We also have a featured video on how to use, apply, and create brands that you might want to check in our channel as well, right? In my case, I'm hovering to the assets, going to add another page here, or an image right here. Similarly, we can replace the videos right here on the bottom right. For example, we're going to go to the media section. Let me delete this one for now and go to the media, go to the videos. Let's see what we got here. For example, I want to replace that with like this right here. We're going to add a text here and add a text. Let's use this one right here. Let's make it white. Let's edit the font color to white. Use the outline, maybe black, and let's look for another color so it pops out and stands out, right? So let's try to put in an animation. For example, go to animation, maybe flicker, right? Flicker, right? Now, once we have done that, let's try to click the play button to see if our elements have blended together, right? So that's it. It's perfect. Now, I just wanted to make sure that here, once you have installed the Adobe Express on your computer or on your PC, you can use the free and premium versions here, all right? The free version obviously includes basic features, while premium offers advanced tools and content, all right? And again, if you decided to maybe resize this one right here, this project, you might want to go to the resize option. You can resize this amazing design that you have worked on your desktop into these platforms. Say Instagram square post, flyer, Instagram story, TikTok video, logo, and a lot more. So you have all of these under your disposal. All right. Or if you want to add here, go to this section. If you want to vertical scroll, horizontal navigation. All right. So basically, the some of the interface are quite a little bit different from the web-based, but still they function the same. All right. And if you want to download this amazing designs that you have created on your desktop, you might want to click on these options: transparent PNG, JPEG, PDF, and MP4. But if you want to share this amazing design to your maybe client or team members, especially if you're working with multiple freelancers, just click the copy link. All right. And you can switch them if they can comment or edit, or if you want to only invited people can access, you can also limit that. You can also save a copy of this amazing design to your cloud, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and Issue. All right. So these are going to be some of the options that you can use here in Adobe Express. Some people like me prefers to work in the desktop version because it offers an easier, larger screen on desktops, allows for greater detail and accuracy when designing. All right, because desktop provides full access to Adobe's Express premium features like the background remover and branding tools and quick actions. Not only that, you also have an option here to share and make a template out of this amazing design that you have created from scratch on your desktop. All right, the desktop seamlessly integrate with other software like I'm using Photoshop and Illustrator plus Adobe Premiere Pro. So I switch all these apps for extended functionality, so it's a lot easier for me to do it. Desktop is more powerful than mobile devices, allowing smoother performance for resources intensive tasks like video editing or animation. So you can easily switch from all these options. All right. The web app or the web version is also okay. But if you want to easily share designs with teams or clients or through cloud-based collaboration tools, you might want to use the web-based Adobe Express. But again, if you want to have a rigorous collaboration with your team members, you might want to use the desktop version. Editing is faster and more precise using keyboard and mouse compared to touch or small screen navigation. So that's my preference only. All right. Of course, you can switch between Adobe Express web or and to your desktop without disrupting your workflow. You can always, the idea is if you're working with the web app, you can always open multiple tabs or windows to compare designs or access assets in comparison with the desktop version. If you save it to your as an application or open that as an application. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.